Hola a todos, ¿cómo estáis? Estoy ahora mismo en la Criptoplaza. Hoy en día, en julio, un día caluroso, en las nuevas oficinas que tenemos aquí de Bitcoin, espectaculares. Hello everyone, we are here in the Criptoplaza, our new offices in Madrid, in Spain, where we will have our ATM also. You will come to visit, you will have our office here, and then we will put our ATM here besides this one. We will put it here there, and we will see a nice place for us. Ahí pondremos el cajero, chicos, que lo estaba comentando en inglés. Lo vamos a poner justo en la entrada para que tenga todo el mundo acceso. Aquí tenemos unas salas de reuniones, ¿vale? Y ahora voy a abrir la puerta con la tarjeta de del Dr. Aslan Albi. I'm going to open, I'm going to join, to enter into the resident area, which is only for startups here. All the startups are crypto, so all the companies are related to crypto and to blockchain, so we will be one of them. Todas las startups, todas las compañías están relacionadas con criptomonedas y con blockchain, son todas puramente de eso, y nosotros nos unimos a este espacio lleno de las mejores compañías como Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, todas las mejores compañías. Ahí tenemos el logo de la Criptoplaza, ¿vale? We are joining the best forces with the best developers in the blockchain area and the crypto space, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Litecoin. We are with the best ones. Then we have here 2 people working. We are right now still in the quarantine, so very few people are coming, but they are all rooms for us. Son todas habitaciones para nosotros, oficinas. Cuando vengáis podéis ir viéndolas y nos vamos acercando a nuestra oficina. We are coming closer to our office. Then, before getting to our office, we have the kitchen here. We have a kitchen for the residents, and we can do a lot of presentations here. And also, we can do the presentations on the entrance at the first, when I started with the video. So we will be joining our room. This is our space for us. Okay, I'm going to open with the car of Aslan. And then we have here one of the leaders of the network doing a presentation. And we have another room there. This will be our space. So this is a nice space for us. So we are joining one of the top place in Spain. Nos estamos uniendo al mejor sitio de criptos de España, en toda hispanohablante. We are joining the best place for crypto space for crypto startups. So we are waiting for you. See you from Flix Fuertes. See you. Have a nice day, and looking forward to receive you if you come. Have a nice day.